Hello my dear students, very good morning to all of you. In today's class we will talk about very important concept of class 11th and chapter is structure of atom. The topic is Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Heisenberg belongs to the name of scientist, uncertainty means error. So in my previous video class we talked about dual character of a moving particle. It can be electron, proton, neutron, and the concept was given by de Broglie and the topic is named as de Broglie wavelength or dual character of dual nature or dual character of an electron. So the concept dual nature of electron means any correct measurement in position of an electron would create some uncertainty or errors in measurement of velocity, or we can say any correct measurement in velocity of an electron would create some error in or uncertainty in measurement of position, vice versa. What is this? Why we can't calculate position and velocity correctly of that moving object? What is the reason behind this? What is the uncertainty behind this? So the scientist Heisenberg gave the concept. According to him, it is impossible. We can't say it is possible. We will never. Correct now. According to Heisenberg, it is impossible to determine the velocity or position of electron. The velocity or position of electron or any other moving object, any other moving particle in an atom at a given time simultaneously. If we will calculate correct position of electron, because it is moving around the nucleus, so there will be uncertainty in its position. Or we can say, if we correctly measure the correct position of electron and again it's moving, so there will be uncertainty in its velocity. So what is the reason? What is the why this concept is like this? Why we can't able to calculate or determine both the things together? So here some reason is there. I will explain. So what we can do? We can state only. We can calculate only probability of finding of electron in a given energy region in an atom. Means we are not going to calculate correct position or correct velocity. We will say we are calculating probability, or it is probable to finding of an electron in given energy region for an atom, whether it is velocity or its position. It is probable, not it's certain. Correct? So see here, it is nucleus, and after some distance electron is traveling or moving, or this is particular, it is an atom. So in an atom, electron revolving around the nucleus, and here its position is x and its velocity is v. Because it's moving, so here its position will be x dash and its velocity will be v dash. What is x dash? What is v dash? Why it is so? We will see. Correct? So ultimately here x is correct position and x dash is incorrect position. Why? Electron is here also. Because if I will calculate velocity of electron here, till then electron will move here or somewhere else. Means at this point we can't say that it is position and it is this its velocity. If I will calculate x, then its velocity will be v dash, or if I will calculate v, its position will be x dash. Ultimately, when I will or he will or Heisenberg is measure such phenomenon under sensitive microscope. So it is what is the reason why the position or velocity change, I will discuss. So we can recall x is correct position, x dash is incorrect position, and v equal to correct velocity and v dash equal to incorrect velocity. Correct? So why this uncertainty arises? So the uncertainty arises from the fact that when a measurement is carried out and the electron under investigation is to be viewed. Electron under investigation is to be viewed with a sensitive microscope, sensitive instrument like such microscope. Here Heisenberg is seeing, and in this process the light particle, what is light? Where light particles? Here light particle is interact with electron and it can be alter its motion or velocity. Means why its velocity is altering? Because of only here is interaction between light particle and electron. Light has also particle and electron is a particle. There will be interaction and its path, its range will be altered, or its motion or its velocity will be changed. Correct? Because as its path change, its interaction is there, its velocity, its motion will be changed. So how we can say it is, or we can say it is not possible to say as to what the velocity of this electron. Ultimately what? Here we can't say that this velocity belongs to this position of electron, or this velocity belongs to this position of electron, because there is a interaction between light particle and that moving electron, and after the interaction its motion or velocity will be altered, will be changed. The reason behind this is only which I explained. So when I calculate x minus x dash or v minus v dash, I will get exact uncertainty, exact error. So delta x is uncertainty in position, and v minus v dash, that is delta v, it is uncertainty in velocity. So Heisenberg derived one mathematical expression for, according to him, delta x, that is uncertainty in position, into m delta v. Delta v is uncertainty in velocity and m is mass of that moving object, and it is also in kilogram, will be always greater than or equal to h upon 4 pi. It is mathematical expression for Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Or students, we know when we will multiply mass into velocity, we will get momentum. So we can write mv like momentum, it will be delta p. So delta x into delta p will be always greater than or equal to h upon 4 pi. It is here h is Planck's constant and delta p is uncertainty in measurement of momentum. So what is the value of Planck's constant? It is 6.6 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second. Or when we convert joule kilogram into kilogram meter second square upon second square, so joule can be converted further into kilogram values. We have already we did in de Broglie concept, correct? So further, what is v? V equal to velocity, and how we define? It's a change in position with time, its velocity, or we can say t equal to x upon v, or simultaneously delta t equal to delta x upon delta v. So when we here see, when I will write this equation delta p into delta x and delta v by delta v equal to h upon 4 pi, there is no issue. Just I multiply delta v. And why? For this, because we know v equal to x upon t, and t further t will become x upon v, and next delta t, because change, I am taking change, so it will be delta t equal to delta x upon delta v. So this delta x upon delta v will become delta t. Yes, answer is right. Now I have one more form, Einstein equation, E equal to mc square, and c is also known as v. C is speed of light and V is velocity of light, and both have same values. So students, see here, I can write E equal to mv square, correct? Or we can say E equal to mv into V, right? And this mv is what? It is momentum. So E can be equal to P into V. Or we can say delta E equal to delta P into delta V. Again changes here. So this delta P and delta V will become further delta E. So it is what? It is alternative uncertainty relation. And this relation is asked by NEET exam, JEE Main exam in 2016-17. So that's why I discussed this one. Otherwise, we will okay with this delta X into delta P equal to h upon 4 pi, or delta X into m delta V equal to h upon 4 pi. So one question we can discuss here: uncertainty in position of a smallest particle whose mass is 25 gram in space is 10 to the power minus 5 meter. What is the velocity in what is the uncertainty in its velocity? And we have to calculate velocity in meter per second. So simple, I will use velocity formula delta X into m delta V equal to h upon 4 pi, where velocity is involved in Heisenberg expression. So delta X is 10 to the power minus 5, correct? Mass I have to write in kilogram, 25 10 to the power minus 3 because it is gram. And delta V I have to calculate because he is asking about uncertainty in its velocity. The value of h is fixed, 6.6 into 10 to the power minus 34, and h upon 4 pi means 4 into 3.14. When I will solve delta V, I will get exactly 2.1 into 10 to the power minus 28 meter per second. So students, it's all about uncertainty phenomenon, Heisenberg uncertainty principle. We will see some more numerical in my next video or in my upcoming video lectures. So what is Heisenberg uncertainty principle? What we understood yet? Actually, it is for position and velocity of a moving object. It is revolving around the nucleus or somewhere it is traveling. So it is impossible to calculate its correct position at that time and velocity at that moment for that moving particle. So it is nothing but we can take its probability. We can find its probability where it is traveling. It is not certainty, correct? So why it is so in the case of electron? Because why uncertainty arises? Because there is an interaction between light particle and that moving electron, and that light particle alters the motion or velocity of that electron. So it's all about uncertainty principle. Expression is very important. Delta X into m delta V or delta X into delta P equal to h upon 4 pi. This is alternative relation. I'll just asked by NEET exam, that's why I discussed, and I discussed one numerical. So for next video lecture, some more numerical and some more practice we will do. So we will meet again next day. Till then, thank you. Thanks a lot.